Not invited, don't go. Late invites, reject them. Making you wait too long, leave. Ignored you, disappear. Texting you only when they are interested, don't answer. They don't prioritize you, don't ask. Making you doubt yourself, leave. They hurt you, go away. Compare you with others, leave. Sweetheart, self-respect is not an ego. It's knowing your worth and walking away when it's not value. The right people will never put you in a position to question your place in their life. If they make you feel unwanted, stop trying to belong. Never stay when you constantly have to beg for love, attention, or respect.